All right, we got G Junior tacking up some stuff over here. The metal is really thin on this rusty car, so he's working on that. We've already kind of welded this one up a little bit. He did that, and then we plug welded down this side, and then I beat the floor pan to this and laid a bead down there. Tell you what, I'm a crappy welder, I know, but I know I got good penetration. And then on the inside here, we have plug welded this side of the floor. We haven't got to that side yet. So things are still coming along with the Rustang. So this is basically like bonus footage number 3. Next video section, after we get all this welded in, we're going to start doing the suspension, because we're going to have to get the car out of here real soon. So next videos will be installing the front suspension in the steering and getting the brakes done so we can get the car a roller again. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching bonus footage number 3. You can always subscribe right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up. And remember, we have Mustang Rustang shirts. See the description below to my Printify store.